Welcome back. We arrive to the lesson for the letters S, T, and V. Let's begin. S in Spanish, ese, ese. This letter has the same S sound as in English, with the vowels sa, se, si, so, su. Again, sa, se, si, so, su. And that is how we read them. Let's learn some words. Sabor, sabor. Flavor. Semilla, semilla. Seed. Silencio, silencio. Silence. Sopa, sopa. Soup. Subestimar, subestimar. Underestimate. Let's move on to the letter T. In Spanish, te, te. Now this letter has only one sound, a T sound. With the vowels, sounds like this. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Again, ta, te, ti, to, tu. And that is how we read those syllables. Let's learn some words. Tatuaje, tatuaje. Tattoo. Terremoto, terremoto. Earthquake. Tijeras, tijeras. Scissors. Tormenta, tormenta. Storm. Turista, turista. Tourist. The letter T has two consonant clusters, TL and TR, with the vowels tla, tle, tli, tlo, tlu, and tra, tre, tri, tro, tru. Let's learn some words. Atlántico, Atlántico. Atlantic. Atleta, atleta. Athlete. Actriz, actriz. Actress. Neutro, neutro. Neutral. Trueno, trueno. Thunder. Let's get to the last letter for this lesson, the letter V. In Spanish is V. Now, this letter can also be known as V or V corta or V chica. So it all depends on the country or region. When we teach this letter to elementary students, we always differentiate the sound between the B and the V, right? We say B or V. But when in reality, when we pronounce the words with the letter V, there is no really a differentiation in the pronunciation. And I know some people will comment saying, yes, there is, they're different. In reality, there is a big difference when you speak in English, right? If you say van versus van, there is a difference. In Spanish, you are now going to hear a Spanish speaker saying, vamos, ventana. They are going to say vamos. So it is really a softer sound. But again, when we teach it, we differentiate. And the main purpose of differentiating the two sounds when you're teaching little kids is because of spelling, okay? And the Royal Spanish Academy actually put out the rules that it comes with pronunciation. And they said that there is no differentiation in the pronunciation of B and V. Anyway, I know still people will complain. So let's move on with the vowels. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Again, va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Let's learn some words. Vaca, vaca, cow, ventana, ventana, window, viajar, viajar, travel, volcán, volcán, volcano, vuelo, vuelo, flight. This concludes this lesson, but before you go, let's go to the exit ticket. You will have 3 seconds to read in Spanish the following exercises. Atleta, actriz, vaca, silencio, terremoto. I hope you did great. Again, don't forget to subscribe for more lessons, and I will see you on the next one.